Hello everyone, this is Sean, your roof guy. We are here in beautiful downtown Sanford, Florida. Love looking at roofs in our own backyard. We've got a couple of duplexes here we were called out to. Some old roofs. Owner wants us to provide a couple estimates. I'm going to do so. Show you a little quickly what we're looking at. These are the duplexes. As you can see, this is probably a 20-year-old 3-tab roof. It needs replacement. There's not a lot to look at or discuss here. We're going to write up a nice estimate here to replace the shingles. Of course, put a lifetime architectural on there. We'll replace this with a nice 2-ply modified. State of Florida wants us to replace this modified as well as the roof because it connects. So no worries. We're going to look at this one next. This actually has a lot of tabs missing, but same actual floor plan. Should be real easy to do. We're going to knock these two estimates out. Try to help this gentleman out. This is Sean Bennett with XLR8 Roofing. You guys have a great day.